Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Copag 310 Cardistry cards. These are printed by Cartamundi, cardistry faces poker sized, true linen B9 finish and presumably the back there. So here we have it guys, we are in. Now I'm not massively into cardistry. I appreciate the art form in itself. As I've said many times before, I'm just not very good at it. But I appreciate the fact that people have cottoned on to the fact that the art form is growing exponentially. There aren't just a couple of people doing it anymore, and there's not just a couple of people in the world that are very good at it. It would have been around for a long time, but people started catering. So stuff like the Memento Mori deck or the Verts. It's just nice to see that it's been designed specifically for people doing cardistry, which is pretty cool. So we've got Copag information on the inside there, show off there. And it's got like this two-tone red to sort of blue faded in, like a purple in between. And it's kind of how the back design looks, which is pretty cool. We have a seal deck inside. Ooh, I'm not sure, but I don't know if these cards are only for cardistry. Ah, they are. So there aren't any faces on these. That's pretty damn interesting, right? So on the back, instead of having faces, it is literally another design, which is really cool. So these are kind of how I imagined you'd practice. You know, you'd use these and, you know, you'd practice your cuts and... I appreciate this. That's pretty cool. It's a deck of cards not designed to be used to play cards. So the stock on these is very thin. These are very thin cards. Yeah, I really like the fact that these are designed specifically for cardistry. So they have no other purpose. I mean, they could be used to be thrown, I suppose. You could use them as throwing, practice your card throwing. It makes me more intrigued by the whole process in designing these as well, because essentially it looks inverted. So if we take one card here for example, that is the same design, but what's white on this face is actually coloured on this face, and what's white on this face is coloured on this face. Yeah, I don't know if this deck's going to be really much use to me, as I don't do any cardistry really, but I'm going to try see how this pans out. I might mess the whole deck up a bit actually. It's a bit cool. Continuity of the design allows this to all flow well together. I mean, it still looks pretty mad. It could be a pain, you know, painstakingly put these back in the right order, so I wouldn't bother. I can appreciate them for what they are. I appreciate the benefits they have to the art form. Yeah, when it said cardistry cards, I just thought that it was going to have a back design that was designed for cardistry. I didn't realise it was going to be two back design. They feel nice, they handle nice, they've obviously been printed on a good cardstock. I suppose they'll be good for practicing cardistry. There's not a lot of benefit of these to me because I don't use them for cardistry, I don't practice it, I don't try. Potentially give it a go now that I have some cards that I don't really have any other use for. The Copag 310 cardistry cards. Specifically for cardistry. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.